Okay, so manly trick number who gives a fuck anyways. Let me teach you something that you might not know. If you ever find yourself in a position where, you know, maybe some dumbass hit a wall and broke the control arm clean off, bent the fucking cross member all to shiznit, and you need to move it. This one happened to hit a wall, and it's front wheel drive base. Now, manly trick: wedge a screwdriver, a hefty. Notice that's really hefty. Through the rotor, well, through the hole into one of the slots in the rotor. Get you something smooth, board. This happens to work best because it's smooth metal, that it can go the distance on. See that? Yep, see? And everything's off the ground. It's resting firm on the metal. And we are going to bring it here. Now, okay, so take this and film from here, here, here. And then I'll need you to go back here and tell me how far we... Is that front wheel over there still straight?
Turn it to the wall of cunt hair. Now you is.
How we looking on our pile of wood?
Nice and hard in there.
All the way against it?
No, about 6 more inches. Come on, you got 6 inches at least. There you go. Your 6 inches touched the wood.
Now, we enjoy the ice cold AC from 5 minutes of hard fucking work. Go ahead and cut it.